What's going on, everybody? This is KMW with GotDistanceReal.com. Alright, this here is our it's our Got Distance Real ABU Safe Lock Center Mag Kit. And pretty much the only difference between this one and our regular kit is this one has an option to lock the actual tension knob. So as you can see here, once you install it, you will actually have this loose, and you would use this on here, perfectly center your spool, and once that is done, you would lock it. That way you'll spend 20-30 minutes getting it right, and then after that it's done. You won't ever have to worry about it again unless you unlock it and mess with it. So this here is our solid brass safe lock center mag kit. These here will be excellent fishing options as well as tournament casting. They're actually very pretty. It comes with 2 mags glued, 2 loose mags that you could have the option of putting in or not putting them in. That's totally up to you. This here's our ABU mag kit. Alright guys, until next time, GDR.